Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Cosette. So it's a really exciting vlog, and I have to make this quick because I should have left like 2 minutes ago already. I'm flying to New York today to move there for a month, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the whole journey of the month and just moving in and everything. But I just want to say subscribe down below, follow me on my social medias, all that Cosette Tamajian, and let's go to New York. We're in New York. We're in Tally's apartment, the one I'm staying with. My sister, you guys all know her.
Do I know you? Have you been in a vlog? Hi.
But we just got in, and I haven't even unpacked, but we need to get groceries. Happy you're here. Yeah?
Let's have fun.
All right, let's go. Come along while I try to learn how to cook because I've never done that.
An idea of anything you want to eat would help.
I know. Well, I think it'll just come to me when I get in there. Let's go. All right, I just cooked for the first time with Tally's assistance. And I made that cauliflower gnocchi from Trader Joe's that literally every Insta girl raves about.
Calling bullshit.
Calling that. Because this is not even good. This is, I'll be the first hater about it.
Dad cooks? Is that it?
Maybe we made it wrong. It's like the blandest thing. Like I really tried. I put so much seasoning and like, maybe they put like pasta sauce. No, that wouldn't even have saved this. Lugged everything up 6 flights. I think that's the most painful thing. I thought I could take it because Zeta was 3 flights. And my first cooking experience was subpar. I have not updated since the tragic Trader Joe's moment. Cauliflower gnocchi, but we just got ready to go out for cocktails, and we're watching, what are we watching? What is it called?
Fleabag.
Fleabag right now. It's actually a really good show. I like it. I think it's quirky. We just got ready and we're gonna leave after we watch this episode. But yeah, I filmed my Princess Polly TikTok out of the way. Filmed another TikTok. I'm busting out the TikToks. Go follow me on TikTok. We're gonna go to East Point. It's supposed to be really good. Tally's been there before also, so very excited. I'll vlog when we're out walking or when we're at East Point. All right, quick fit check. Full set Princess Polly, you know. Whole set Princess Polly, and then the shoes are Ego Official, if you've ever heard of them. It's like I think it's a British brand. Do you want to do a fit check?
That sounds right.
Fit check?
Sure. I don't know where I got any of it.
Really? Thrifted, all of it.
Yeah.
With the bottle of vodka. We're
tequila.
Oh, tequila.
Oh,
Pre going out. Shot.
Well, you get the shot glass. I
usually don't like tequila.
So what do you want?
Picky.
Do you want a chaser?
No, I'm not a picky.
Cheers. That's
While our mom is watching. Miss you. See you in like a week. But yeah, we're just gonna get ready to go.
You were talking about fit check. I'm like,
Fit check.
This is a workout top.
I really gotta go all the way back here. This lighting is so good, Tally.
Right?
Okay. Okay,
I
I did not vlog at all at dinner or drinks. So sorry. But we're just walking around right now.
We're getting cannolis.
Yeah, we're getting cannolis. And we're in East Village right now. Just, you know, taking a stride around the town. We should not go yet. These shoes though, bro, they're coming undone every 2 seconds. I swear to God. That place was so good for drinks.
We were feeling it.
The first one was really good, but it wasn't like strong. And then we asked for a strong one and it was,
Glad we could share it though.
ooh. Yeah, we shared it. Tally, what are your thoughts on today?
Great day. Sun came out.
Yes.
Head empty. I'm happy.
Love it. Mwah. Kisses. Okay, we'll check in when we're at the canola shop. Bye. Okay, I know I barely vlogged yesterday. It was just so chaotic, and honestly, you can tell I'm already up and at 'em. Okay, sorry, the fan is probably also so annoying, but I am sweating, so we need it on. Okay, so today it is Sunday morning, and I'm gonna go out and shoot some Princess Polly takeovers, TikToks, and content. I know I wore this romper yesterday, but I didn't get a photo in it. I really want a photo in it. That's gonna be my first outfit to get a photo in. Later on, I think I'm gonna venture out again with Tally, and we're just gonna walk around a little bit. This room gets in so much sunlight, and I woke up like, so early, like, and bright and early. But I'm not complaining because now my day has started and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna put on my shoes, just go out and kind of adventure and find some places to take some cute pics.
In the meantime, say, let me watch you break it down and damn.
Okay, so I'm out and about right now. I just took some photos for Princess Polly and half of my TikTok, I think, and now I want to pick up Duncan for Tally and I am turning into a horrible vlogger, and I apologize for that, but now I'm back. I took a shower, cold shower. I washed my hair too, now it's blow dried, and me and Tally are about to go out and kind of adventure. A set from White Fox Boutique. It's like this brown set with Nike shoes, and then my Amazon bag. I think we're gonna go to a bookstore maybe and just like walk around, kind of explore a little bit. All right, so we're in a park now. We just picked up some baklava. Pistachio baklava. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm so excited. We got it from a place called, what was it? Union Market. Pistachio is also my favorite flavor, if you didn't know. Is it yours? Too. Really? Yeah. Okay, perfect. We're just in a park and we're just gonna enjoy it. It was kind of a trek here, but it's a good trek. I need to walk.
I was gonna say, you walk like
I know,
6 miles a day.
I know, but like, I know, but I do it with like a music in my ears. And then we're in the set from White Fox Boutique, like I said already. We were at the park just sitting and chilling, and then some unexpected things happened with a crazy guy. So we had to leave. Did in fact have to call our mom to make sure we were doing this right. We did it, almost. The true test will be what it tastes like. Update, we did phenomenal. It's great.
Domestic queens.
She's showing me a show called Hot Ones, where everybody like progressively eats like a hotter wing. That's what it is?
I cannot believe you've never heard of this. Yes.
Have you guys heard of it? Oh my god, I love Post Malone. Okay, hi, it's Monday. I went on my own little adventure today. I was just like power walking. All of a sudden I just look up and I'm in Soho. So I stopped into Zara and got a few things. And then Tally's doing laundry right now, but then after that we're gonna go on a walk. We were talking about going to Hudson Yards, but I don't know. That might be a little ambitious because I'm really, really tired. I think I'm tagging this on to my whole weekend. So this is gonna be like an extended weekend vlog. And stopped in Zara. It was so pretty. We only have like one Zara in Michigan, and it's like quite a way from me, so it was really cool to just walk up to this one. I found like a dress I've been wanting for so long. I couldn't find it anywhere, and then right when I was about to check out, I saw it and I was like, this is like made to be. So, and it was in my size, and so I picked it up and I bought it, and I'm so excited. It's like that white silk dress that everybody wears. Like I'm following a trend, I know, but it's so cute. So I'll show you guys that when I'm not sweaty and disgusting. Also, I was talking to Jaina today, and we have a brilliant idea of starting a podcast, and we're thinking of ideas or like names for us. So if you have any, comment them below. I found my Zara bag with all my stuff. I'll probably hate it all because Zara doesn't have try-on changing rooms yet. But Tally and I are gonna go on a walk. Where are we gonna go?
Oh, I don't know the name.
What?
I don't know the name, just east.
We're gonna go east. Do I know how to zoom in this camera? I don't even. Oh my god, wait. I don't know anything that has to do with any camera aspects. We're on the water. I didn't even watch the first episode, so. Who's the bachelor? Bachelorette? Is Katie. Right, let's try on what I got at Zara today. Let's start with my favorite thing, the white dress, the one I was telling you guys about. So let's get it. Also, I got all my Princess Polly content approved, so love that. Okay, so I got the Zara dress, the famous one in white, and I think it might be a little too short. Like, I only wear slides with it though, but look from the back. The back is a little, see, I got nothing back there. That's what I got going for me, but still, I think it might be a little too short, but let me know. Oh, she does not work with the bend over. What a bachelor setup right here. Chair, laptop. And then the most important part, cheapest bottle of wine we could find. But I've had this. It's really good, so. If anybody watched the first episode, how'd you feel? I barely even watched it, so I literally only know Greg is like the hunk and everybody's obsessed with him. That's all I know. I'm gonna pour a glass of wine. Tally's cooking dinner. Pour me one too, please. I will. Oh yeah. Is it like live tonight? Yeah. Okay, well, me and Tally watched half of The Bachelorette and then we turned it off because it was like, oh, Lindsay. Okay, so me and Tally watched half of The Bachelorette and then turned it off because we just like both wanted to do separate things. I wanted to join this PR net clubhouse room. So these two girls I know started this like clubhouse it's kind of like, and they're starting a podcast too, and it's really cool and you just like kind of listen in. So I listened in my first time and they were so sweet. Lindsay actually DM'd me, she was like, introduce yourself, because there's a ton of NYC influencers on there and like girls that do like social media and stuff like that and fashion. So I introduced myself and I was like, hello. So I gave Lindsay my number. Well, she DM'd me, she was like, please introduce yourself, and I was like a little nervous. It's my first time at Clubhouse, but I did, and I'm glad I did because it was actually really fun. And so I gave her my number and me and her are gonna meet up later in the city. I'm getting ready for a big day tomorrow. Tuesdays are always my big day of work, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next New York vlog. I'll never get used to saying that. Okay, bye.